Great to see the crowd behind him. Spangler sings a lot of pain right now.
Star Spangled saying would have the advantage. Chris first on the free show.
Come on! Woo! What chicken got over?
First down, taking a breather on the outside.
Ready to wrestle.
9, 10, you're out.
Contract signing for the WWE Tag Team title match.
5, let's go. Come on,
Get up in and try to see a wrestling match.
6, get it back in, get it back in. 7, I will count you out. I don't want to, but I will. 8, let's
got
go.
to 10.
I'm awfully close. 9, man.
First down, coming out. Souffle.
1, 2, count.
Only gets
You
2.
can count so good on the outside.
I gave you a nice long count
That's
on
sure
the
what it
outside.
was.
Hey, off the mask, off the mask. Let go of it.
I hear he's Star Spangled under the mask.
Meanwhile, huge neck breaker.
Come on now, let him out of the corner. Let's go in the middle.
USA, baby!
Zan with a splash of swords.
Both men just like they're taking a breather right now.
2.5 quarters and 7
I just wrestled a match!
2.
Just wrestle, he says. Give him a breather, he says.
Hold on to those ropes.
There's no time out for wrestling.
Open that hand up.
A low blow from my vantage point, couldn't really
I'm
see.
recording in here, and you make sure you
Big right hand from Chris Mercer.
He's just pounding away on this thing.
What is your deal?
I count to 3 after 2, that's my deal.
For you,
Mr.
we never
Vice
count
laying
3.
down the law and getting
Chris Mercer just got pwned.
what's Chris Mercer got in store right here.
USA!
Both men are down.
1.
Special referee
2.
giving the 10 count.
3.
Right, can answer this match will be a double count out.
4.
Declare a draw.
Come